Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to fix your Google TV remote not responding to your TV. So in case you have a Google TV box, right? And I'm going to just quickly show you what that box look like so that we're on the same page. So you can see behind my TV here, there's this Google, box, you know it, right? And so if you have something like this on your TV and you have a remote like this and it's not responding, you're trying to move, you're trying to change or whatever it is, and it's not responding, guys, you can easily fix this. And the best way how to achieve this is to try two things, right? You can try to unplug the Google TV box from your TV itself by HDMI. You can remove this and wait for about 30 seconds and see if that fixes the issue. Now, if that does not work and you turn on your TV, you plug it back in and you turn on your TV, go ahead and try the solution here. On the remote, you will have, let me bring it a bit closer, you will have the home button along with the back button. You want to press both of these together at the same time for about 30 seconds. Try that for about 15-30 seconds. It should bring up this light right here at the middle bottom where it's going to try to pair. And if you tried it and it still doesn't work, try the last thing and this will work 100%. If as long as you don't have a battery problem that you need to change your battery, of course, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV. Unplug your TV for about 30 seconds, guys. And I'm telling you, this works wonders, right? It will literally fix the issue for you. So you can try these different things. And if you just want to be lazy and just get direct to the best case solution to fix this, just unplug your TV for about 30 seconds and you should see that this fixes the issue. As long as you don't have a faulty remote that does not work anymore, or you don't have a battery problem where you need to basically change your battery and get new ones, right? But that should fix it for you guys.